So as you can see now, what we want is that the rocket should go up and then burst into a, say, fireworks. So what we're doing is that we are slowly moving the rocket up step by step and clicking pictures. And then we cut these small strips and place them all together and then start clicking so that it has this burst effect. So what we will do is we'll add all these strips and then start clicking pictures and make these strips start moving away from the rocket as though they're bursting from the rocket. So why did we remove the rocket? So that we can show that the rocket burst now. Slowly they will start coming down.